Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Acer PC preparing automatic repair restart loop. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So it might be showing you this picture right here, preparing automatic repair, and it keeps going for a while. But eventually, once you leave it off for some time, then it's going to show this picture right here. Yeah, from here, automatic repair, you're going to click on the button that says advanced options on the right. Once you click on the advanced options, you can have those three options and you're going to make sure that you click on the troubleshoot button. Once you click on the troubleshoot, you're going to click on the advanced options. Then from here in the advanced options, you can see all of these, but the main method that we're going to use is startup repair. This will fix the problems that keep Windows from loading and hopefully should fix your issue. Once you click on it, it's going to do some analyzation and then restart the computer, so give it some time and hopefully that should fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.